Hi YouTube.
Hi world,
We're back.
we're back.
I did my hair
I
more.
didn't do mine.
See it? Yeah. See? Looks good. So
I think she's on the phone with you.
she is.
Wow,
Oh my god, you should see Liz's hair.
it's so red.
It's really red. Really, really red. When she gets off the phone with her BD. Megan, you're not even saying anything on this video. You're just wobbling back and forth.
It feels good.
I want a beer. I want a beer. YouTube, get me a beer.
What do you want to do today?
I've already done what I wanted to do today.
What do you want to do now?
Drink beer.
I wish we had those Nerf swords from Walmart. We should have took a picture of us fighting with them. Or a video. Did I say video?
Oh, I know. YouTube. We was fighting with Nerf swords
Swords
earlier
at Walmart.
at Walmart.
We go there a lot.
My Aunt Jody
We
yelled
don't
at
really
me.
go there a lot, but we should go there more.
My Aunt Jody yelled at me. My Aunt Jody that works there. Well, she didn't really yell at us.
I was there. She said that they were going to talk about us when we left.
Yeah.
That's harassment.
Yeah. Liz, are you off the phone?
Sis,
Liz, come show the world your red hair.
we want to show you her red hair.
Liz. She's taking forever.
Megan.
Okay.
Go get your charger.
I know, but I didn't.
TJ's getting it.
I'll be back.
She's leaving.
Thank you.
Keep busting my stupid knee. Ooh, I need to do my eyebrows, huh? Oh, Megs, I'm looking at my hair.
Finish that. I almost fell trying to bend over and get my charger.
I love my hair, YouTube. This is the first time I've ever dyed it. I think I said that already in another video.
Oh, I'm wearing a shirt that says "Hug me, I'm awesome."
They didn't see the awesome. They didn't see the awesome. It says "Hug me, I'm awesome" though. Actually, it says "Imosamam."
And that's not really what it says. When we watch the video back, it'll be right.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
So you're gonna be on this side, I'm gonna be on that side?
Yes. Because.
No.
Alright,
We're
yeah.
gonna be on these
No, we're not.
same sides.
No, we're
Yes,
not.
we will.
Alright,
Hold on.
bye.
Bye.